Today I want to take a look at insiDex. If we go to their website, you can see enhance your DeFi strategies on Sui. insiDex lets you analyze, copy, and gain insight into Sui DeFi activity. So this is a relatively new tool, but it has been gaining traction. And if you're into specifically trading Sui ecosystem meme coins, this is something that could definitely help you. And I think it's worth taking a look at. Nothing I say is financial advice. It's for education and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. What is insiDex? Built to enable users to analyze and get insights on DeFi activity happening across all decentralized spot and perpetual exchanges on Sui. All right, so let's just jump into it and test it out. So if you click on launch app.insidex.trade, and I'm going to go ahead and connect my wallet. You're going to connect your Sui wallet. Here's the permissions requested, share wallet address, and suggest transactions for approval. I'm going to hit connect. Okay, so if you take a look up here, right, by default, it's going to be on perpetuals, which is leverage trading. It also has spot trading, liquidity pools, and market sentiment. We'll touch on all of these quickly, but I really want to keep this focused on how you can use it if you're into trading Sui ecosystem meme coins. But let's just start here. Let's click on view all trades. This is all on-chain analytics. So for this wallet address, this user has no open positions. Here's some of their past trades. Total trades 1, 4 out of 17, average leverage position 10x, and so forth. So you can jump into this. Let's quickly look at spot trading. Analyze and follow 20,000 plus on-chain traders. All right, so let's just click on this one, view all trades for this wallet address. See, here's all their past trades. You can set alerts. So if you wanted to follow a wallet or follow a trader, you could say notify new trades. One other interesting thing I'll show you is if you click on past trade, you can just copy this trade. It'll pull up the swap just like that, powered by Aftermath. So a lot of interesting information here. So as I'm recording this tool is completely free. So if we go to liquidity pools, this is where you can analyze all liquidity pools out there. So let's just look at the top one, CDIS. So this is the CDIS Sui pool, over 86 million liquidity in it. You can see total swaps made right here, over 46,000. Swap volume, and then total rewards claimed, over 1.3 million CDIS and 100,000 Sui. This is interesting over here, pool position. Let's click on this one. So you can see this wallet liquidity supplied on insiDex. So they put in 245,000 CDIS on one side and 252,000 Sui on the other. Here's rewards that they've claimed, and then you can look at position activities. So the liquidity pool section of insiDex is very interesting. If you're into yield farming, you can probably get some pretty valuable information here as well. So I'm going to show you how you can use insiDex to make better decisions when trading Sui ecosystem meme coins. So right now we're on the market sentiment section of this app, and you can see it's going to list the top meme coins by volume the last 24 hours. Over here you can see daily meme coin trade volume the past 7 days, almost 27 million. And then this is interesting down here. The blue represents Sui meme coins and green is all other coins within the ecosystem. So you can see there has been a huge amount of volume into the Sui meme coin ecosystem, as we've talked about from other chains like Solana and Ethereum. Let's take a look at how we can use this to our advantage if we're looking at getting into Sui meme coins. So let's start by taking a look at this one, Sui Llama. So you can see lots of really good information here. I always like to start here with the safety checks, checklist of things to go through for any kind of meme coin that you're analyzing, whether it's on Sui or Solana or any chain. And insiDex does a great job of making this easy to find. Right here's CoinDev wallet. You can go analyze that. Here's the total supply. Is the LP burnt? Yes. These are all good things, right? Then here's the big one. It has honeypot detection. Is this a honeypot? No. What is a honeypot? You've probably heard the term. Let's hover over that. Honeypots are deceptive smart contracts that can imprison your cash, which means you won't be able to sell the tokens after buying. Stay away from the coin if it's a honeypot, right? So it has honeypot detection, daily trade volume, FDV here, 1.39 million, buy trade count, sell trade count, buy trade volume, sell trade volume. I've looked at about 15 meme coins on here and they all have something in here, so really do what you want with that information. Take a look at insiDex Twitter page. They have a good write-up on this section and how you should analyze it, so I'm not going to go into detail on that. I'm going to focus over here on buyers, largest sellers, right? So you can analyze their wallets. So for example, let's just click on this one. It'll pull up that wallet in Sui Vision. I have a video on Sui Vision, so make sure to check that out. It's another great tool. Sui Vision is one of the top Sui explorers and is also a great tool to use for meme coin trading analytics. So you could dive in here, see the tokens that they own, their activity, and so on. You can go through and analyze each one of these wallets. Same thing with sellers, right? Largest seller in the past 24 hours. Again, it'll open up that wallet in Sui Vision and you can go through and do your homework and gather the information that you need. Another interesting thing is if you click here, view holders info. So it's going to open up a bubble map, and it says this bubble map shows the holdings of the top holders from meme coin addresses that are grouped together in a cluster, represent that they are connected through send transactions and might be the same same user. This data is updated every 4 hours. So it's kind of interesting. Bubble map, right? Click on it and again, it'll open up that wallet in Sweet Vision. So the bubble map is really cool. Let's say the meme coin you want to take a look at is not in this list. Just go to Dex Screener. And in this case, we'll just use Blub. Go to Blub and copy the contract address. Go back to insiDex and search for it. And it'll pull up all the information right here. And then again, you can go through your process of analyzing top buyer wallets, the last 24 hours, seller wallets. Not every one of these has a bubble map I've noticed yet. And again, this is still new. I'm sure that will be coming for all of them, but some of them don't have it yet. All right, let's go back to market sentiment. Let's take a look at another one. Sweeman. Here's the safety checks. Make sure you go through and take a look at all of those. Again, here's where you can analyze the top buy wallets, top sell wallets. Let's click on view holders info. That's going to open up the bubble map where again, you can go ahead and use this for even further analysis. One other thing I'll quickly point out is if you click on your wallet address at the top right, you can actually view your trading history. So like view spot profile. So this is a great way to keep track of your trading and just see how profitable you are. You can take a look over here, see past trades. I believe this data is updated as of like October 10th. I could be wrong about that. So if you don't see all of your past trades in that wallet, that's why. I think that's when this was implemented, but it'll track everything going forward. And it's a great way to just keep track of your profit and loss. You can search for any wallet address that you want to up here. You just paste it in, it'll pull up that wallet and you can analyze it just like this. So one more thing I'll point out, we created a Telegram bot. It says for convenience of traders on Sweet Network, we are introducing Telegram bot for quick security checks on meme coins. No need to open insiDex app for understanding the basics of a coin. So let's walk through the process quickly of getting this. You're going to click this link here to get the Telegram bot. What can this bot do for you? insiDex Safety Checker bot gives you detailed analysis of how meme coins perform when tested against certain safety parameters. Let's click start. So here we go, all the information about the bot. Here's what this can do for you. Analyze meme coins, check liquidity, lock, total supply burnt. Is it HoneyPot, right? That's huge, HoneyPot detection. All this great info that we just looked at on the app, a lot of it you're gonna get right from this bot. So let's test it out. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at SweetJack. Let's go ahead and copy the contract address from Dex Screener. Let's open up Telegram. Let's paste it down here and hit enter. Analyzing. So it's going to quickly give you the security checks. Total supply 10 billion. Total supply burnt 1.4 billion. Treasury crap burnt, check. LP burnt, check. Is it a honeypot? No. Created 9 days ago. So that's great information quickly to be able to check right in Telegram, especially if you're using a Telegram trading bot like the Sweet Sniper bot that we covered in our last video. Being able to use insiDex Safety Checker bot alongside with that is awesome. Just another level of analysis you can do to mainly, again, avoid honeypots and rug pulls. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.